Hey you guys, this is Crafter Notebook 11 and here's my paper fire alarm collection. So I'll just pull each one. The Simplex T-Bar 425120. The Edwards Pole 278. Faraday 8700D. The Edwards 278B. The ADT aka the ESO pole. Notifier BNG1. And the FCI MS2 pole station. So I'll reset everything. So here's the inside of the Edwards pole. Faraday 8700D. Simplex T-Bar. The Edwards 278B. The ESO inside. Notifier BNG1 inside. And the FCI MS2 pole right here. So let me reset everything. Hold on. Alright, so everything is reset. So here's the collection again. System test 1 will be in 45 minutes or more, depending on how much I get. Alright everyone, this is going to be the end of my video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.